Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Databricks SQL endpoint is up and your cluster is running. This lets Power BI query live. Once done, generate a personal access token and save it securely because Power BI will use it for authentication. Make sure to copy the SQL endpoint details: server hostname, HTTP path, and default port. These three values form the connection string. You do this now to avoid back and forth later, and to let Power BI connect directly to Databricks SQL using the native connector. You open Power BI Desktop and pick Get Data, then the Databricks connector. This leverages optimized drivers for performance. Once selected, paste the hostname and HTTP path you saved, then provide the personal access token as the authentication method. Power BI uses this instead of user/password. Make sure to choose Direct Query for live analytics or Import if you need cached models. After connecting, preview tables and apply transformations in Power Query. This is where you shape data before loading visuals. You finalize by creating reports and validating results against Databricks SQL to ensure correctness. Once visuals are built, test scheduled refresh or direct query performance and monitor slow queries in Databricks query history so you can optimize SQL or indexes. If something fails, make sure the personal access token hasn't expired, confirm workspace network allow lists or private link settings, and verify an enterprise gateway if used. Finally, adjust query folding and timeout settings to improve performance when working with large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.